So guys, this is the Nerf Rampage. This is a non-auto gun which is powered by a spring mechanism. It is similar to the Retaliator with a 25 round drum, which is actually at the sideways, not at the bottom. But it doesn't have a barrel attachment, but it has a stock attachment. So there are many more features of this Rampage which we'll see in this video. So but before we start, let's see the unboxing. Guys, this is the Nerf blaster and let's unbox this. The manual, the 25 round drum, the 25 darts, the manual, and the blaster. So these are all the things included in this set, and this tactical cat is not included. So guys, I have the Nerf Rampage over here. So we'll talk about the features of this Nerf Rampage. First we'll go to the externals, then the internals, and moving from the back to the front. So let's talk about this gun. So this is a non-auto gun. It doesn't require any batteries. It's just like the Retaliator, which is spring powered. You have to just pull the mechanism handle behind and front and then shoot it. It's similar to the Retaliator, only the problem is that you have a 25 round drum which is at the side of the blaster and not at the bottom. So sometimes it gets a little awkward to hold this, and yeah, stuff like that. So now let's talk about the attachments. So moving from the back, there is a place for the stock attachment, but no stock attachment is included in this set. So you can use other stocks like the Retaliator stock. I have the white color, don't have the blue one. And you can use it for a position like this. The other attachments are like the rail attachments. There are two rail attachments at the top where you can put scope, but no scope is included in this set. There is no place for barrel attachment, so you can't put something like this. No barrel attachment, please. So these were all the attachments that we can put. There is a place for the sling attachment. You can just put the sling over here and hold it like this. So these were all these attachments that we can put in this blaster. So now we'll talk about the grip. So the grip, actually I'm a 13-year-old, so I don't have any problem with the grip. The grip is same like the Retaliator one, but if you're an adult, I think that might be a problem for the grip one. There are some grooves on the grip, so there can be a better hold on this grip too. And there's an extra pocket over here for one Nerf Elite dart. So if you have an extra one, you can just put it here. And there's a sling attachment besides this. So the grip is quite comfortable. I don't have any bad comments about this grip. It's a good grip. No issues about the grip. So now let's talk about this prime handle. The prime handle is quite comfortable. You have to just pull it back and front and then fire. So it's better than the Retaliator one, which is at the top. You have to just pull it back and front. It's quite smooth, and there's enough space for the second hand to fit over here. And the spring mechanism over here is quite well. This also has slam fire enabled, which we can see in the test review of the range. So this was for the prime handle. Now we'll move to the magazine. There are 25 elite darts which are also included, but the drum can fit more one, which is 26 elite darts. So this drum is opaque from the front side but transparent from the behind. So your opponents can't see how many darts you have from the front, but you can see because it's transparent from the behind. In case you have a jam in this drum, you can just use the release jam knob to remove any jams which are in the which happen in this drum. To insert this drum in the Rampage. Okay. So first you have to pull back the prime handle and just insert this drum like this. And you are ready for firing. To remove this drum, the same mechanism. Just pull behind the prime handle and push this orange button to remove the drum. Easy. Many other magazines like the 12 round magazine or the 22 one can be used in this Rampage, And this drum can also be used in other guns too, but only the elite ones, right? So now we'll discuss the internal features. So when you pull back the prime handle, and if you want to know if it is really activated for the blast, then you have to just look behind the stock attachment to see if the orange one is activated. It shows if the prime handle is pulled back and front and is ready for action. And if there are any jams in this gun, you have to just pull behind the prime handle, and here's the access door. You can just slide open the access door to see if there are any jams in this gun, and slide it back front to close it. It won't operate if the access door is opened. So you have to always close the access door if you want to play. So these were all the internal features. This is a spring powered gun, as I had said in the earlier time of this video. So these are all the internal features. So now let's move to the fun part, which is the range test. Slam fire. So guys, there are a few advantages as well, few disadvantages of this Nerf Rampage. Starting with the first advantage, we have that it's more accurate than most of the Nerf spring-powered blasters. So that's a good feature. You can easily shoot targets which are a little bit far ahead than the range. And second advantage actually is that it's just like the Retaliator, but it has a 25 round drum. That's too cool. So you can, without stopping and again filling the magazine, you can shoot up to long ranges. So these are a few advantages. Now, the most biggest disadvantage of this Nerf Rampage is that its drum magazine is located on the irregular side. So it's actually unbalanced and it's little awkward holding such kind of Nerf. If it would have been at the bottom, it would just be like the Retaliator. So it would be fun if it was at the bottom. So it's now little awkward holding like this and it's unbalanced. Should you buy this Nerf blaster? Is this worth the price? So it's starting for 2000 rupees, and let's talk about if you can buy this. So if you are an adult and thinking about buying this Nerf gun, then I think you should think again. Because I don't know if some of the adults are facing this issue about this grip. Then if I'm not wrong, you can comment down below. And even if some of you don't have a problem with this awkward positioning of the blaster's magazine, then you can buy this. It's better, it has slam fire, it's just like the Retaliator. So I think I personally like this Nerf gun because it has slam fire enabled. So that's a cool thing. It's non-auto, okay, but it has slam fire. So you can actually shoot better than most of the semi-auto guns. That's what I think. So if you like this gun, I have a purchase link down in the description. You can just click on that link and buy this gun. So, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And we have also hit 200 subscribers. So please don't forget to subscribe and make it more. So thanks guys. Thanks for watching.